This is the final look of Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this is the difference between Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Massive difference, and this look is different from what leaked before. After looking at the final look of S24 Ultra, there are some massive differences. First, Galaxy S24 Ultra will going to feature a flat display, and not only this is the difference against the S23 Ultra. If I zoomed in, there are two common differences. First, the bezel size on Galaxy S24 Ultra is extremely small compared to the S23 Ultra. Even the bottom bezel of Galaxy S24 Ultra is 40% less than the S23 Ultra. Also, the camera hole on S24 Ultra is slightly smaller and moved down a little compared to the S23 Ultra. If you didn't notice, while getting a flat display on S24 Ultra, the outer bezel on Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly thicker than the S23 Ultra. But there's a good news. First, it will going to increase the durability of Galaxy S24 Ultra, and second, by getting a flat display on S24 Ultra, we are going to see asymmetrical bezels. Means all four sides of S24 Ultra will going to come with the same width, and the width of a bezels, according to S24, is 1.5mm, smallest so far. The display on S24 Ultra will be slightly different than what we have seen on S24 or S24 Plus, a slight curve to make it more premium. And one of the most important thing about the design of S24 Ultra, the sides are not completely flat. According to these dummies, S24 Ultra will going to feature a flat sides and sharp corners. No, these are wrong. According to new renders, the frame of Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly curved on the edges to make it easy for you to hold the S24 Ultra, and even the corners are slightly curved, better than the sharp corners. And these renders are same as CAD renders of Galaxy S24 Ultra, which means these are real renders, and according to S24, it has been confirmed this is the real Galaxy S24 Ultra. Finally, flat display and rounded corners. Not only this, Samsung is also bringing some big changes in their display technology, and we have a mystery color option for S24 Ultra. But before moving on to that, a subscribe to the channel will be amazing. For those who like golden color option for the S24 Ultra, then according to S24, Galaxy S24 Ultra will going to feature a golden version with a golden middle frame. And as you guys know, we are going to see a titanium frame on S24 Ultra, so a golden color titanium will going to feature on S24 Ultra. Except that there are in total 7 color options on S24 Ultra: yellow, violet, gray, and black, and 3 more online color options: green, blue, and orange. And Samsung will going to put the new display on all 3 models of Galaxy S24 Ultra M13. So we are going to get a 2500 nits of peak brightness compared to only 1750 nits on S23 Ultra. The release date of Galaxy S24 Ultra is already confirmed and out. According to the source, S24 Ultra will going to launch on 17th of Jan, and you can pre-order the device after the event, and you'll get your pre-orders between 26th of Jan to 30th Jan, and it will going to hit the market on 30th January. If you guys want to see the secret software features of Galaxy S24 Ultra, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.